Okay, tutorial today on Prismacolor coloured pencils on an ink background. The subject matter is underwater tropical barrier reef. Okay, so we need to establish our light source. Our light source is coming from up here, okay? And so everything is going to have direct sunlight shining in on top of everything, okay? So if we've got an area that's blue, we can actually add the white highlight. Now, when it comes to coloured pencil illustration and blending, we've got to make sure that we use 3 colours at all times, okay? Those 3 colours are divided into a light, a medium and a dark, okay? So for instance, we've got a dolphin here, okay? I'm going to choose a light blue to begin with, and we're going to use the light blue as our base colour, okay? I'm just going to do a little bit of this because I don't want to be doing too much work for the student, obviously. So after we've maintained where our highlight is, we're going to gently just shade in a light blue, and that goes in all over except for the white, and that is called our base colour. Now from there, we're going to use a slightly darker blue, okay? So it can be a blue or a blue-grey, whatever you like for illustrative purposes. You know, if you want it to make it look animated, you will use brighter colours. So starting from the bottom, which is the opposite of our light source, okay, we are just going to start blending from the bottom to about the halfway mark. Okay, that includes the back of the fin as well, where there will be a little bit of natural shadow. Now we can always go back to our lighter colour to help blend. Okay, with these Prismacolors, they're super soft, so you can do layers and layers and layers until you're really happy with the outcome. So you can see that that light formation is taking shape. Now we can either use a dark grey or we can use a little bit of black for the shadow. I'm not a big advocate of black. I find it too harsh, but I just don't have a grey on hand, so I'm just going to make use of that. And just very sparingly, we don't need a lot of it. And again, what I would do after I've applied that is just go back to my blue. And the blue helps blend in the darker colour there. Okay, so you can really see that that's looking nicely rounded now, and the colours are blending. Always go back to the white as well and make sure that we use that white to help blend in our highlight. Okay, so that's it for the shading of the dolphin.